My name's Sylvia Carroll, and we are in Los Angeles, California, Highland Park. We've lived in the house for 17 years, and the kitchen is always something that we had intended to do because my husband's a cook. And so we were looking at getting people to come in and give us prices and quotes. We found Treeium through Home Advisor. Our meeting with Avi was wonderful. He was informative and friendly and everything we could have asked for. We really, really enjoy the kitchen. There's nothing we could have asked for that would be any better than what we have. It's absolutely gorgeous. We had Natalie come with Avi, and they sat down with us and mapped out everything in the kitchen, from the type of countertops to the type of cabinets and what kind of appliances that might work in our space. And the workers came and they were clean, professional, and on time, and did a great job just keeping the project on time. This kitchen is the kitchen of our dreams. We could not be happier. Everything is beautiful and just what we wanted. I would recommend Treeium, and specifically Avi, to anyone and everyone. I've already given out his information to 3 different people, and every time someone sees our kitchen, they're definitely interested in Treeium, and specifically Avi. Thank you so much to Avi, to Treeium. Our kitchen is everything we ever wanted. We're so grateful. We definitely will be calling you again.